Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall impact.com tracking scripts from your WordPress theme, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall impact.com tracking scripts from your WordPress theme, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section in the left-hand menu. Click on Theme Editor to access your theme files. Make sure you select the correct theme you want to modify from the top right corner. In the Theme Files list, look for the header.php file. Click on it to open the file in the editor. Search for any impact.com tracking script code within the header.php file. The code may start with a script tag and contain identifiers specific to impact.com. Once you locate the tracking script, carefully highlight the entire code section. Press the delete key to remove the script from the file. Next, check for any tracking scripts in the footer.php file as well. Repeat the process of searching for the impact.com script in the footer.php file. If found, highlight and delete it just as you did in the header.php file. After making the deletions, scroll down and click the Update File button to save your changes. To ensure that the scripts have been completely removed, open your website in a new browser tab. Right-click on the page and select View Page Source. Use the search function, Ctrl+F, to find any remnants of the impact.com script. If there are no instances of the script, you've successfully uninstalled it. Next, check your website's functionality to ensure everything is still working correctly. If you experience any issues, you can revert to a previously saved version of your theme. Consider using a child theme for future modifications to prevent conflicts. Finally, clear your website cache to allow the changes to take effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.